In this video, I'll show you how to report a shop on Etsy, whether it's for suspicious activity, scams, or rule violations. Let's jump right in. Open the Etsy app or go to Etsy.com and go to the shop's homepage. Tap on the three dots, M-M-M- near the top, usually next to the shop name. Look for the option that says Report this shop or Report user. Tap it. Now choose a reason why you're reporting, like scam, copyright issue, harassment, or something else. Then add any details or evidence if needed. Once done, hit Submit, and that's it. Etsy will review your report and take action if needed. Quick tip: if you've already made a purchase and something went wrong, use Etsy's Resolution Center to open a case first. Also, always keep screenshots of conversations or listings just in case you need to provide more proof later. If this helped you out, smash that like button and maybe drop a comment so I know you're ready to keep Etsy safe.